Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday, come on. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Yeah, you got some.
Lydia, yeah, you gotta teach Grandma and Grandpa how to do this.
Yeah. You know what?
Mom, just throw out some blood gain signs. Or not. Mom doesn't like mom. Cheese. Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're so doggy. Oh, are they? Wow.
Guys, don't eat. Don't go down to the water.
Marcy. Hi. Nó no nữa nè. Nhìn nhỏ nhỏ đấy ạ. Nhìn nhỏ cái nhỏ này lên là co sức thế. Hello. Moana. Hi, Moana. I'm surprised she really likes to paddleboard. Hello. Happy birthday, Lydia. Where's your dad and them? Are they all? They're all over there. Well, we know what camping's gonna look like. Yep. She's standing on her dad. She's probably getting scared. Mama. Good luck bringing her back over here. Oh, she said, "Go." Oh yo, what's the apple? Come here, honey. Oh no, Marcy. Oh. Say, Marcy, come here. Ayo. Daddy sơ cho mò mỗi xe, xin nó mò của cái daddy cái chỉ tao tiếng quảng cáo. Oh, la mommy à, Marcy, la. Oh, all done, so fun. Yeah, you guys can. Oh, la. You said không nhớ hả? Oh, la. See, cái trái à, lúc một khởi tao ba nó có rồi. We'd be so cold. Nhìn cái mỏi. Okay, la. Come on. Did she get scared?
She was fine until we got over there. She started freaking out.
She's like, oh heck no.
She's like,
Good job. You need the glasses?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wednesday morning and I just got done getting ready for work. I just did my eyebrows. I was really debating about doing a little bit of cover up, but a part of me just really wants to be barefaced, so I just put on moisturizer, some eye cream, and I started using my Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. I actually really like it. The house is a little bit of a mess, so I think I'm gonna do the dishes and just kind of tidy up a little bit, so that way it's just a little bit easier for my husband to watch the girls without waking up and having a house full of things everywhere. We left our window open last night to just kind of air out the house, and I love waking up feeling a nice morning breeze with the birds chirping through the window, and it just feels so nice. Like I love the spring transition to summer right now.
Hi guys, greeting you guys from my backyard. It's a wonderful day today. The weather's so nice. So it's actually Mother's Day weekend. I have a little kid pool for my girls, but I have no idea where it is, so I have to go and look for it a little bit later when my husband is home. But they're just playing with a bucket of water and some beach buckets, and I just have the umbrella hooked onto the bucket, so that way it gives them a little bit of shade and they're not just out in the sun. Yeah.
No way.
Donut? No. Mommy got you a donut. Yummy. Can eat it however she wants it.
A lot of people in the church. Hmong job.
I'm not sure, Mike. Mommy? We just grabbed some donuts and then we wanted to stop by at a park so that they can play. Kind of burn their energy. Na? Kapatay niya. Ni Jackie mo tishi. Chichen ni Jackie mo naman. Oo. Greetings from my car as usual. I'm on my lunch break right now and I just went to the Asian market and got some coffee because I am just so exhausted. This whole weekend since Thursday I've been taking a lot of naps unintentionally. I'm just like falling asleep because I'm just so exhausted. So I went and got some Vietnamese coffee. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys for a really long time. I'm not gonna lie, I've just been feeling a little discouraged and I feel like I'm always just vlogging about the same thing. At the same time, I try not to let that discourage me because I really enjoy vlogging. I think it's fun. I think it's a really great way to hold on to memories and just kind of capture your daily life. My plans for today is to take my youngest to a doctor's appointment and then I might go thrifting. I really want to go to the Cancer Society thrift store. It's not too far from the doctor's office and the last time I went there was the last time I took her to her appointment too. It's 12:49 right now and we just got done shopping. I went to the Cancer Society thrift store and then I just kind of walked along the block and there's actually this really super cool vintage antique store and so I took Mossy in there with me and everything in there is so nostalgic. I absolutely love it. I got my husband 2 Hot Wheels. I don't know if he's gonna like them, but I wanted to get it for him anyways because he does like to collect Hot Wheels. It's Sunday and we got out of church and our girls are sleeping right now, so we stopped by Costco to get some food from the food court because we're hungry. So we're enjoying ourselves a little lunch in the car. I got a chicken bake, Gong got a pizza. We also have a hot dog because it comes with a soda and he got the caramel mocha freeze and we also have the strawberry ice cream. They didn't have the shortcake thing.
Oh, they did.
Oh, they did. We parked in a neighborhood because this is a new developing area. So a lot of these homes are still open. Some are sold.
No, that's like when you built that little right?
Mình mới nhớ ai đâu hỏi mấy chuyện là vô chip nó ha.
Có chỗ nó phải register đó, có chứ nhau.
Wow.
So you built that file like the register đó, nhưng which time? Go register. I'll go back around just for you.
Chị non đấy hả? Their swim clothes are in here. They're dry fit stuff. Mom, không có cái giải clothes later. That's fine, got it. Oh, it's kind of cold. It's windy. Cái nhân là hơi có sợ mỏ. Các bạn mình ai cách chưa hơi có sợ. Hey, Mama. Oh, your hands are so cold. Không ăn luôn. Yeah, I know. No, cô chỉ mua hả? Cô đang no. Mommy chỉ mua, mommy đang no. Honey, mò lúa. Mom, go on, let's go. Oh, I know. They're gonna throw the biggest fish. Bóng hổ nè. Cái chụp báo hả? Daddy, nhưng nó cái chắc là mình sẽ to ở chưa?
Tô sao lúc phải.
Ý có phải tao lúc phải.
Chỉ có cái hai chia yếu.
Nó lúc lọp phải nó.
No.
Lúc lọp phải nó.
No. Có phun lại con nữa.
I know, she's gonna trip.
Được đó.
Lọp phải nó. Mà nhớ là khỏi là nó thấy chỉ mất móc cái tờ này bên ngủ chưa khỏi mất móc tờ xin. Đây, kêu đã đi, mua về đã đi. You know, you have Memorial Weekend. You tell all two daughter to put by standpoint no. They to share the five, but she thought the five okay. They don't go on. Today or she. This is our first time here. It's a little chilly, but it'll do. Không ơi mà. Có sao lỗ đây lỗ đây mà khai có lỗ đây á.
Ready?
Daddy chill chill.
Go.
She needs her floaty. More than my owner. Here. My oh, she's got dirt on her head. Okay, go, Mushy. Bye. I'll take them. Go, Mushy. She's so cool. Oh, okay. Show you patch. No, lo pizza. Pizza, that's enough.
Go to the playground.
Yeah, no, go in a bit. Then go wash it and I'll got some good home. Yeah, good job. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Ready? Hello. Bố hồ á? Mà, bố có tụi chó. Nè nó mở. Come on, eat á. Hả? Bố mở này nó. Bố mở này nó. Eat. Nom 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 nom. Oh, eat. Good job. Thank you. They would probably have so much fun feeding the goat downtown. Good job. What is mom? Huh? Yeah. Good job, Masi. Cái gì phải lại? Cái này là đi bán co. Mình sẽ sure. Bye, Masi.
Huh?
It is 1:57 now and we are gonna head back home. It's gonna be an hour and 30-minute drive.